Hello to my skincare lovers. So you want attractive skin? Skin that glows from mile away, that can be blinding your enemies. This content is for you. My name is Elo, and if you're not part of my skincare community, I would love you to take out a moment and click on the red subscribe button. Also, turn on your notification bell, as this will get you notified once I drop any content. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch yet another content from me. In today's content, I'll be sharing my top 4 best body lotion and body soap you can pair together that will give you a brighter, clarified, smooth, softer skin. So if you battle from dull skin, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, rough skin, bumpy skin, green vein, and you are yet to figure out which body lotion and body soap you can pair together, don't worry anymore, because in today's content, I'll be sharing all that. This content will help to activate a youthful, radiant skin. Before we jump into today's content, I first would like to define what body lotion and body soap is all about. So body lotions, they are moisturizers that keeps the skin smooth, soft, healthy, and also target specific issue. It could be your hyperpigmentation, or you want a brighter skin, or you want an anti-aging. White body soap are meant to cleanse your skin from dirt and oil that can contribute to unpleasant odor, and also moisturize and brighten your skin. So now I have defined what body lotion and body soap is all about. Then what is my recommendation for you? I know you're excited. So my number one, or let me say the top on my list, and this is for someone that suffers from hyperpigmentation, or you have scars on your body. When I mean hyperpigmentation, I mean if you suffer from dark spots or uneven skin tone patches, and you're looking for the right body lotion and body soap to combine to your skincare routine, I'll be recommending Alpha Skin Renewal Body Lotion. And the reason why I'm recommending this is because it is an exfoliating body lotion that helps to get rid of dead skin cell on your body. It is formulated with glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is from the family of AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid. What it does is that it is a gentle exfoliant, or an exfoliant that helps the skin to get rid of dead skin cell, to reveal a fresher, even radiant skin. You know, it also softens the skin, smooths the skin to fight hyperpigmentation on your skin. Why I love this body lotion so much is that it has anti-aging benefits that helps the body to build up collagen, fight damaged skin, and also restore a youthful, clarified skin. So if you're looking for the right lotion to give to your parents, Alpha Renewal Body Lotion should be on your top list, because it is a game changer. So now, if you're looking for the right soap to pair, I first want to tell you that if you're using this product, this product can be used by all skin types. If you have oily skin, dry skin, combination, normal skin, you can use this product, and all skin tone. What I mean by all skin tone, if you're dark, fair, light, you can also use this lotion on your skin. And if you're not fighting hyperpigmentation, you just want to maintain a healthy, youthful skin, you can also use this. But what matters is which soap are you combining with this. So if you're someone that has hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, or you want to lighten up your skin tone, the best combination for this is kojic sand soap. Glycolic plus kojic acid soap is equals to hyperpigmentation treatment. This is the best combo for your hyperpigmentation. So kojic sand soap, I think I've talked about this when I mentioned about affordable soap that can actually fight hyperpigmentation scars on your skin. But the reason why people are running away from this soap, one, it is very hard to see the original. And if you want me to drop the content on how to know the original kojic sand, drop your comment down below and I'm going to make a video on it. The kojic sand is formulated with kojic acid, so you don't need to worry. Kojic acid is a natural skin lightener that inhabits melanin on your skin. Glycolic acid also inhabits melanin, and these two works together to fight hyperpigmentation, rough skin texture. So this is the soap I'll be recommending for you. But alongside, there are other soap you can buy as an alternative, which is Silka, Extract, Hawaii Good. This tree lotion is formulated with calamansi, which is an alternative to a kojic acid, which inhabits melanin, softens the skin, smoothens the skin, and give you a radiant skin. If you're someone that suffers from eczema and you're just someone that like your skin, you just want a very good bar soap to pair with this that can, give you a radiant skin, get you glowing and all that, my recommendation would be, I know I'm tempted to say E45. For me, I've used E45 and I don't think it's moisturizing enough. I'll be recommending CeraVe Moisturizing Bar Soap. This is a game changer because it's formulated with ceramide, hyaluronic acid to add plump to your skin, keep it looking glowing and beautiful. The next one I've tried is Dove Body Lotion. This particular one is called Dove Creaming Oil. This is so good and also a game changer for you, especially for someone that suffers from dry skin. This is the best combo to go for. I promise you, you will definitely enjoy using this body lotion. The second body lotion I'll be sharing in today's video, it is Medis 5.5 Vitamin C. This body lotion has anti-aging benefits. It brightens the skin and smoothens the skin to give you that clarified, illuminating glow. It is formulated with my three key ingredients, which is vitamin C, ferulic acid, and turmeric. So vitamin C in this formulation, we know vitamin C is an antioxidant that promotes a radiant skin, even out your skin tone, and also helps the skin to produce collagen on the skin. Then the second one, which is ferulic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that prevents sun damage, smooths the skin. It has anti-aging benefits and also brightens the skin to give you a radiant, glowing skin. Turmeric will firm up your skin, soften your skin, and clarify your skin to reveal a healthy, radiant skin. So this is basically what this body lotion will do for you, and I feel like people are not talking about this body lotion a lot because this body lotion is actually a game changer. I've used this body lotion and very soon I'll be dropping my review on this body lotion. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely you'll be missing out when I drop this content. And then a lot of people complain about how drying this lotion can be. Of course, you have a dry skin, because someone with, let me say, oily skin will not be complaining. I will advise you, go get your body oil. And if you're confused on which body oil you should get, I already have a video when I talked about best body oil for glowing skin. I'll be leaving the link on my description box. I would love you to check it out when you're done watching this content. And okay, you'll be thinking, what body soap is good to pair with this? It depends on what you want this lotion to do for you. So if you want a brightening effect, of course, you have to go with a brightening soap. And if you just want to maintain your skin tone, I will advise you go for a moisturizing soap. So when it comes to this, of course, I've talked about kojic acid, but if you have dry skin, I wouldn't be recommending you to pairing this Medis 5.5 vitamin C lotion with kojic sand. What it's going to do, even as much as you start getting light, and I also want to make a statement. You should not use your kojic acid soap for more than straight 3 months, and especially if you have a sensitive skin, kojic acid might irritate your skin. So whenever you're using those products, always listen to your skin. If your skin says stop, it is time for you to stop. But for me, I use this product 4 times a week, only at night. So you know your body, better, so you gotta listen to it. So kojic acid is going to be a better choice for someone with oily skin, but if you have dry skin, I would recommend you pair it with St. Ives bar soap, and Hawaii papaya soap is also very nice. For someone that loves moisturizing soap, especially for someone that is dark skin, I do recommend you go for CeraVe products. If you have dry skin and you want to make use of Medis 5.5 vitamin C, please go for moisturizing bar soap like CeraVe, Dove Creamy Oil. But if you have an oily skin, trust me, you're safe using lightening product with this. And if you are someone that has dry skin and you still want to make use of lightening product with this body lotion, go get your oil. Go get your oil. So definitely the CeraVe and Dove Creamy Oil is one of the two best bar soap I've used, and I will, with my full chest, recommend it for you, especially for someone that suffer from dry skin. Of course, someone that has oily skin can also use this bar soap, and you get all the benefits that you want. The third one on my list has to be only revitalizing and hydrating body lotion. This lotion is practically similar to Medis vitamin C. It has vitamin C and vitamin B3 as its active ingredients. And we know vitamin C is an anti-aging that promotes collagen, brightens the skin, even out skin tone, and give you a radiant, smooth, soft skin. While the vitamin B3 helps the skin to hold water, making your skin look plump, healthy, and moisturized. I would recommend this for someone that has dry skin. It is quite very moisturizing. I'm pairing this with any lightening product such as Koji San. If you're someone that wants to even out your skin tone, you're perfectly good to go with this. And if you want all the moisturizing benefits, CeraVe bar moisturizing bar soap and Dove creamy oil and Dove moisturizing soap is also very, very good to combine with this. And with consistent use, you will see everyone complimenting your skin tone. And guys, the last on our list, but not the least, and I've talked about this lotion very well. This lotion, I think I have to name this lotion Small but Mighty. It is small, but it has a whole lot of benefits. The lotion I'm talking about is Amlatin body lotion. I've talked about this, and it's also from a family of AHA. They have one that is familiar with 12% lactic acid, and I think they have the one formulated with 14% lactic acid, and it works well for bumpy skin, dry skin, and also green vein. So if you're someone that have green vein, this is the best lotion you should use. And if you're someone that suffer from keratosis paralysis, aka shaking leg, you need this lotion in your skincare routine. It will give you a smooth skin. Some people, like, you will not see all these dot thing, to give you a smooth skin, soften your skin, smoothen your skin, and review a radiant, clarified, smooth skin. So this is definitely a must-have in your skincare routine. And I know every skincare junkie like me definitely have this, because I suffer from that too. And whenever I say that, guess what? I run to my Amlatin body lotion. So I definitely recommend you using exfoliating body lotion only at night. You know how the weather here in Nigeria is. And if you're thinking about the best body soap to pair with this, my dear, have in mind that you can use your Kojic Sand soap, or you're using your moisturizing soap, depending on what you want this lotion to do for you. But I know a lot of people that buy this lotion is because they suffer from uneven skin tone. I can remember my mom was like, if I watch your content, you always talk about uneven skin tone. What is this uneven skin tone? Let me tell you, uneven skin tone is not the same as hyperpigmentation. Oh yes. Uneven skin tone is just like saying that I have patches and discoloration on my skin. Use a simple word, which is discoloration. So if you have discoloration on your skin, guess what? This is the best body lotion to be using. And pairing with kojic acid, it is fine, because especially for someone that has dry skin, because lactic acid is actually very moisturizing, and is one of the acid that someone that suffer from dry skin can make use of and get away with it. Don't use like your lightening soap always. Also, give your skin that plump it needs by, giving it water. It's just like if you have a plant and constantly you're giving your plant manure without giving your plant water, you have not even started. So the alpha renewal I made mention of, um Olay revitalizing and hydrating body lotion and Medis 5.5. Always remember to have your moisturizing lotion when your skin feels like it's looking dull, or when your skin feels like, no, I feel like I'm sick. Just water it with your moisturizing body soap. Before I end this content, the body lotion and the body soap I mentioned, they're very good in brightening the skin, even out your skin tone and giving you moisturized healthy skin. But always have in mind that sunscreen is the foundation of skincare. It doesn't need to be expensive. I actually found a very cheap mineral sunscreen that leaves minimal white cast on the skin that you can use. At least, like, if you rub it, by the next 15 minutes the whole white cast has already disappeared. It is your foundation of your skincare. So just get your sunscreen, no matter how cheap it is. But if you're someone that you don't have the finance to get a sunscreen, or you feel you can't go ahead with mineral sunscreen, well, I will advise you wear protective clothing when you are out around 9 to 5 p.m. Also, try as much as possible to exfoliate. At least once in a week, exfoliate your skin to get rid of dead skin cell and review a newer skin. Even as much as it sounds cliche when people say we are what we eat, we are actually what we eat. Don't concentrate or spend all your money on skincare. Remember to top up with colorful fruits. Buy your vegetable, buy your fruits, and take a lot of water. Come to the end of today's topic, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. So we see you next time. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your fruits and vegetable, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.